Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you daily Chinese handwriting on the character qǐng step by step. I will write it in regular scripts, then following one word and one sentence. That's right. qǐng, a period of time. Term, to hope, 期望. For example, 日期, date. Please organize files by dates. Please organize files by dates. 请按日期整理文件。请按日期整理文件。Please organize files by dates. 按日期整理文件。Please organize files by dates. 请按日期整理文件。qǐng in cursive. qǐng, a period of time. Term, to hope. 日期 date. Please organize files by dates. 请按日期整理文件。qǐng. Please comment any words or sentence with the character qǐng. I hope you find this video helpful. Support my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe, click bell, like, and help me share this video. Okay, that's all for today. Thanks so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.